Welcome to the Inkscape quick setup guide. Here we will go ahead and download Inkscape and get it ready for use. Go ahead and go to inkscape.org, and then from here we can go ahead and hit the download now button, and you can download for Windows or Mac OS or whatever operating system you have. After you download this, let's go ahead and get it ready for use. I don't like the default setup, so I changed it just a little bit. So when I open Inkscape, it has this nice black or gray checkered background, and my export is set up to my shop, so I know where everything exports to, and I turned off Snap. So to make your default setup look like this, go ahead and go to your C, Program Files, then Inkscape, Share, Inkscape, and Templates folder. From here, look for default without any other extension at the end. It's just regular default. After you open this up, you can edit this to make it look like anything you want. So my export is set to my shop. I have the nice gray background and checkeredness. You can make a backup of the original default. This is what it normally looks like. So this is too bright for me. I don't really like it. And the export is just saved to, I think it's my documents. So to get this to look like mine, you can go to Document Properties, turn on the checkered background, and alter the background color. So I just did the alpha, click checkerboard backgrounds. I'll want it a little bit darker. Looks nice. Okay. And then for the exporting, you're gonna have to do like a little image. Doesn't matter. Let's do a circle and make it a crooked circle. Okay, there you go. And export into the folder that you want. So your My Documents folder, your art folder, whatever. Hit save, and then don't forget to hit export. You have to hit export so it saves. And then we can go ahead and delete this and close without saving. And now your default Inkscape file will always open with your new default settings. So you can have your background any color you want, and your folder saved, and anything you do to your default file will save there. Alright, thanks for watching. Let's get ready to craft some art.